Welcome to this video, Learning Machines. In this video, I'm going to try to make $10,000 with Maxbounty in 12 hours. And if I'm able to do that, I'm going to donate all the money to multiple charities. Let's go! All right, Learning Machines, it is the morning here, and I'm at $1,328 today so far. And basically, I'm going to try and turn it into a 10x profit today. What I'm going to do is basically I am going to run a Facebook ad and promote an offer I'm going to pick right now. And this offer is going to crush it, and we're going to hit our goal and donate all the money to charity. Okay, I just went through an extensive research of finding a really good offer to promote, and this offer called fastloans.net is perfect. I can target exact people looking for loans on Facebook right now. This offer I just need to apply to run. This offer pays $120 per lead, and the best part is I only need like 100 something people to convert on this offer today, and I make like 20 grand. All right, Learning Machines, I basically submitted my whole campaign on Facebook. My whole budget for today is $10,000. It's going to be approved very, very soon, and I hope this works. Cross your fingers. Let's go. All right, Learning Machines, I just checked my freaking campaign status, and it's disapproved, which sucks. We're going to just try to resubmit and change a few things. They said it got disapproved because the freaking lander page was missing some disclaimers, and an ad got disapproved. But I got multiple ads to freaking split test. I got a campaign I'm about to freaking run. I'm split testing multiple targetings. We're going to like literally check into the analytics like halfway through the day and optimize for the best green data, the data that is working right now and converting. And then we're just gonna freaking scale this thing to the moon super fast and see if we can make 10 grand today. If I can't, then nobody's getting charity today, and we want people to get free money today for charity, for good causes. Let's go. All right, Learning Machines, now I want to talk to you guys about, what is CPA marketing? So CPA marketing, it's basically like cost per action marketing. So every single time someone does an action, you get paid for that action. Like they submit their email, or they even like click on a link. That's a more rare one. Or they purchase something through your affiliate link. Okay, and it's the best way to make money online. Nothing beats it. Affiliate marketing is very similar to it. It's just you have a link, you promote it, you make money. Now, how do you make money with CPA marketing? That's the whole trick here, because you could literally try a million methods and make mistake, but if you do it right, you could crush it. You can make so much money. So, I mean, I've made over $1 million just from CPA marketing and affiliate marketing together. Like, it's a very powerful way to make money online. I'm only almost 22 years old, basically 22 years old when this video is uploaded. It's insane, okay? Like how much money you can make, and easily. And I mean, I've made mistakes my whole entire life trying to make money online. I mean, I failed. Now I've done it, okay? Like a few years ago, I mean, I started making big money online. Now I'm making crazy amounts of money online. I haven't even shared with you guys certain methods I'm using that are crushing it right now. But I will, okay? I just don't have that much time to just share it. I need to do it and stuff and focus on it. All you gotta do, okay, you grab your link, but you pick a really good offer first. Like it needs to be a hot offer. It needs to convert like wildfire. This offer needs to be top of the top converting. And then you can actually accelerate its conversion rate, which is like how many people purchase through your link. You can accelerate that just by great persuasion tactics, okay, and psychology and everything like that. The number one thing is get traffic. And it's so simple. It's like, you don't need to make a product of your own. You literally go out there, you find an offer that just converts. And it could be a few offers you find. And then you just focus every day. It's so easy. You literally just focus on traffic generation strategies, okay? Which is like, you can make YouTube videos. You can freaking have an Instagram page and make content on there. And these are just all free strategies. You can go on Quora, you can go on Pinterest, you can go on Facebook, and all these things. Then you could also set up paid campaigns on the side and freaking run traffic to your offers you want to promote and just boost it up. Boost the content on the ad platform, whatever content you're doing. If you're doing YouTube, you can literally like boost your content targeting exact people who'd be interested in offers you're promoting, and you're gonna grow an audience on multiple platforms. And when you're ready, you can literally promote a new offer that they've never seen before inside that relevant niche that you're doing, and you can just crush it, man. What's up, Learn Machines? I literally just twisted my freaking ankle walking down the stairs. My security camera, I figured, probably caught the footage, so you'll see that. Freaking insane, man. I think it'll heal by the end of the day, but maybe not. Wish me luck. All right, Learning Machines, we're halfway through the day now, and it hasn't been approved yet, okay? And the payment method was actually declined and needs to pend. It's probably gonna be really fast. With my experience with Facebook ads, it's usually pretty quick to get approved on Facebook ads, so we'll see. Cross your fingers. All right, Learn Machines, it actually spent 1K so far, and so I'm going to dive into the analytics and pick the very best ad that's performing, the very best targeting that's performing, and I won't be able to make a lookalike audience, but I've already gotten a few conversions, which I'll show you in 2 seconds here. I'm going to optimize this freaking campaign for what is working, and now we're ready to scale. All right, Learning Machines, so far from the $1,000 basically spent on Facebook ads, that is $3,000 right there. But that's not 3x ROI from the Facebook ads. Basically, I spent $1,000 on Facebook ads to make about $2,000 back. It was $1,800 back. But I have other income streams, you know, a whole entire YouTube channel that pushes traffic to CPA offers on Maxbounty here that basically gets conversions all day long. So a lot of this money today also is going to be from freaking my YouTube channel. And I could even, if I wanted to, promote to my email list that I have from that following, but I'm just literally going to do Facebook ads and just have the natural sales come in from doing my YouTube channel just naturally. Okay. It's the end of the day and it spent $11,000. This is how much I made. So right here, this is $35,000 for the day, and usually it's $4,000 to $5,000 a day just from my one YouTube channel pushing two different offers. But today I decided obviously to scale things up, and I spent $11,000 and made back basically 3x ROI, which is literally 30 grand. I am going to donate the money to GoFundMe. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and donate to the GoFundMe platform and different ones I find that I believe are nice to donate to. So there we go. Hopefully this inspires people out there to basically crush it on Maxbounty or any affiliate platform you want to crush it on. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out, Learning Bush.